talk about words with the letters TU saying the sound ch. Now, in most cases, when the letter U comes after the T, we hear the sound ch. This is said to happen because of ease of pronunciation, as it can be a bit challenging to pronounce words with TU and sometimes origin of these words. So let's look at some words where the letters TU say the sound ch. We have Tuesday. The day of the week is Tuesday. And then we have virtue, eventually, virtual, situation, congratulations, constitute, institute, substitute. And in this last word, we do not have the letter U, but we still say ch, and the word is question, question. Now, in these words, be sure to say the sound ch instead of to or to. I hope you've learned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.